Oh, hello. Didn't see you there. Welcome to Jessy Jamboree's Quarantine Kitchen. I'm Jessy Jamboree. And today we're gonna be doing something a little differently. We're gonna make the ultimate mashed potato mashup recipe. I'm gonna get 3 friends on the line and see what kind of tips and tricks they have for making their ultimate mashed potatoes. And we're gonna combine them into an ultimate mashed potato mashup recipe. Hey, what's up, Jay?
Well, hey, honey, how are you? Listen, it's just a wonderful day. It's so good to see you.
So excited to have you here in Jessy Jamboree's Quarantine Kitchen today.
Well, honey, I'm excited because I love seeing you in that kitchen.
Well, thanks. And today we're doing something special. I want to create the ultimate mashed potato mashup recipe. I called my friend Nicole, who's a great at-home cook. Cool hat.
Thanks. That's my garden hat.
Nice. You working in the garden today?
Yeah.
I called my buddy Ryan, who's a professional chef in a restaurant.
When you work at restaurants, that's one of the things you have to make like all the time, every day.
How many pounds of mashed potatoes do you think you made working in the restaurant?
So about 400 pounds a week.
How long have you been a professional chef for now?
Almost 11 years.
Okay, well, we will have someone do the math. This is how many pounds of potatoes you have made.
I'm sure it's a considerable number.
And now I'm calling my Food Network star friend, Chef
There
Jessy
you
Smith.
go. Honey, you got the best of 3 worlds right there.
Are you ready to divulge some mashed potato secrets here in Jessy Jamboree's Quarantine Kitchen?
Yes, honey, I'm going to give you the perfect Southern mashed taters.
Where do we start?
You know, I like to use the Yukon Golds just because they already have that beautiful buttery undertone to them. I just wash them really good. I don't peel them because the skin on the Yukon is super thin anyway. And that's where all the vitamins is.
The salt of the water is the most important thing. Is you're using cold water and lots of salt. It should taste like the Dead Sea. Like, you live in Los Angeles, you should know what the salted sea tastes like. It should taste like that.
It needs to taste like the ocean.
Yeah, absolutely.
And the perfect seasoning in a potato is salt and white pepper. Not black pepper, but white pepper.
I use heavy whipping cream, about like half a cup, very lightly heated on the stove so that it's not cold when I add it in.
Because it's gotta be warm potatoes, warm fats, warm liquids. You want everything to be warm. If you put cold into them taters, when you start whipping all that, you're gonna have the awfulest lumps. Honey, you're gonna have more lumps than Carter's got peanuts. I can tell you, it's gonna be the lumpiest mess you've ever had in your life. You want to put butter and one other fat, either bacon grease, cream cheese, or sour cream, or even duck fat.
Awesome. Love the double fat.
And then I add in the garlic.
I like the confit garlic, which is I peel a whole head of garlic. I put it in a pot, like a sauce pot, and I'll cover it with olive oil and come to about a medium temperature till they're nice, golden brown and roasted and soft.
Ooh.
Confit in French means cooked with fat. So that's what you're essentially doing with it. And so the good, delicious part of mashed potatoes is fat content. And that's what makes mashed potatoes so delicious, is butter and fat.
That's perfect for the mashup.
Potato.
Yo, what's up, Lil Spud? Did I catch you in the studio?
All day, baby.
Is that a necklace made of French fries?
Yeah, it is. It's fresh, right?
Yeah.
So what's cooking, Jambo?
Well, actually, I'm about to cook up the ultimate mashed potato, and I thought maybe you could help.
Well, you know, Lil Spud loves the taters. That's just the way that I am. How can I help?
After talking to some friends of mine about how they do their ultimate mashed potatoes, I've come up with what I believe to be the ultimate mashed potato mashup recipe.
My ears are peeled. Go on.
And I thought maybe you could cook up a hot potato track and we can make this recipe really slap.
Well, send me that sauce, Jambo. Let's mix it up.
Yeah, dude.
Hey, what do you call a potato that smokes weed?
I don't know. What do you call it?
A baked potato.
The potato is where you start. To start your potatoes,
Don't peel them, cut them in half. Wash them really good.
cold water for sure. salty water. It should taste like the Dead Sea.
Taste the ocean.
Enough water that just covers the tater
Bring your potatoes to a boil.
For 15 minutes.
till they're fork or knife tender. Drain off the water.
That's legit.
I recommend stand mixer.
Use the paddle attachment, turn it on low, and beat up those potatoes. Once they're halfway mashed, add the seasoning
1 to 2 teaspoons of salt.
and white pepper. Taste it.
Yum.
This is the time to add the fat. You want to put butter
Half a stick is fine.
and one other fat.
That's legit, dude.
Cream cheese or sour cream.
More if you're like having fun.
You can't never get too much butter. We could stop after the fat and you'd have a wonderful mashed potato. But why stop there when you're wanting the ultimate mashed potato?
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna add some liquid to that.
Half a cup heavy whipping cream.
Half a cup vegetable sauce.
Very lightly heated on the stove. And then I add garlic.
Garlic confit, Parmesan cheese with chives. This is really great.